Here's something nobody tells you about trading. The money is half the point. The real prize is the life it lets you build. Travel, freedom, experiences, longevity. And most traders, even profitable ones, never figure out how to actually convert their P&L into a proper lifestyle. That's where Primeverse goes further than any platform I've seen. In this video, I'm showing you the lifestyle side, traverse, VIP events, and the holistic growth side that turns a profitable trader into a properly successful operator. Let's get into it. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. So quick thing before we dive in. Primeverse runs alongside PU Prime, the broker I trade through. If you saw my previous videos on the trading edge side of Primeverse, this is the other half. Same ecosystem, different focus. Now, most traders chase profit and forget the why. They sit at screens for years, finally hit consistency and then realize they've got no idea what to do with the money or how to actually enjoy it. So Primeverse fixes that from day one. The trading tools give you the edge. The lifestyle ecosystem gives you the life. So travel, events, fitness, mindset, wealth planning, all built into the same membership. The pitch is simple: trade well, live better. And once you see what's on offer, you understand why that's not just a slogan. Now, Traverse is the headline feature on the lifestyle side, and it's genuinely jaw-dropping. First, first class and business class flights at 40 to 60% off. Etihad, Emirates, Qatar Airways. The way the corporate partner rates work, you're flying the way most people can only dream of, at prices that actually make sense. Luxury resorts, 30 to 60% off. Premium global destinations, private curated experiences. We're talking the resorts that get featured in travel magazines with rates the public will never see. 5-star hotels, 15 to 30% off. Top tier chains worldwide. Premium suites, the proper stuff. Global cruises with VIP boarding privileges. Caribbean, US coastline, Europe. The Yacht Club access for private charters and coastal luxury globally, 40 to 60% off there too. This isn't a points program or a discount voucher site. This is a corporate partner rates negotiated through the Primeverse network, so completely unavailable to the public. If you travel even occasionally, the savings on one trip could literally pay for your membership. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management, because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. The VIP events are the next tier. F1 paddock access, ringside for MMA, front row tickets to global sports and entertainment. The concierge service handles the booking, the access, the logistics. You tell them what you want, they make it happen. This is the kind of access that genuinely doesn't exist if you're just buying tickets through a normal site. For me, this is the bit that puts it over the top. The whole point of building a trading career is the experiences you get to have. Being in the F1 paddock, sitting ringside at a title fight, those are the memories that money is actually for. Now, this is where Primeverse genuinely stands apart from anything else I've seen. The holistic growth side, because trading is 80% psychology and most platforms ignore that completely. PrimeFit, fitness programming designed for traders, optimizing performance and energy so you can actually sit at screens for hours without your brain melting. Trading stamina is real and it comes from your body, not just your strategy. Mindset mastery, right? It's proper psychological training for unbreakable discipline, focus, and mental resilience. Before the 4 pillars I covered in the other video: revenge trading, FOMO, over trading, moving stops. These all come from mindset weaknesses. Mindset mastery, directly trains a muscle that fixes them. Financial planning, turning profits into generational wealth. Because making money trading is one thing, but keeping it, growing it, and passing it on is a completely different, skill set most traders never learn. Social media trading, personal branding and audience monetization, right? If you want to build a content side to your trading like I have, this is the playbook. 4 pillars, all built into the same membership. This is the operator level stuff that separates serious traders from hobbyists. But here's the thing, none of this works in isolation. Great trading tools without lifestyle goals burn you out. Lifestyle dreams without trading edge are just fantasies. So discipline without fitness fades. Profit without wealth planning evaporate. Primeverse builds all of it at once. You're not just becoming a better trader, you're building the whole operator, the body, the mind, the income, the life. That's why the membership works. It's not a single tool, it's a system for the entire person. Quick recap. Traverse gets you premium travel at 40 to 60% off. Flights, resorts, hotels, cruises, yachts. VIP events get you the experiences that money usually can't buy. And the holistic growth side, fitness, mindset, wealth planning, social media, it builds the operator behind the trader. Combine that with the trading edge I covered in the previous video and you've got the most complete ecosystem in the industry. Trade well, live better, and actually mean it. Links are in the description to get started. Smash the like, drop a comment with where you travel first if you joined, and I will see you in the next one.